Through the Global Knowledge Exchange Initiative, the ISPE Foundation supports making ISPE's highly regarded guides available to emerging markets through the Emerging Markets Knowledge Exchange. We also offer funding in partnership with industry to support the translation of ISPE guidance documents into local languages.
Achievement of specified goals for a company originating from a territory of emerging markets usually requires additional resources and efforts. ISPE offers a user-friendly platform for knowledge exchange and its practical implementation.
Finding ways to share information and knowledge exchange in the pharmaceutical industry is a key aspect, and ISPEs is such a bridge. With that, people and organizations become more successful and productive. ISPE offers an access to a pool of experts across the globe and facilitates the global exchange communication between regulators, industry and academic members, young professionals via online and offline collaborations. ISPE provides truly valuable content and a modern platform for global communications.
We want all our members to have access to practical and essential real-world pharmaceutical knowledge to help local companies build best practices to support local industry initiatives.